Making friends as an adult can be challenging due to busy schedules and responsibilities, but it's definitely achievable with some effort. To expand your social circle, consider signing up for classes or workshops that align with your interest, volunteering in your community, joining a gym or book club, and attending local events. Engaging in recreational sports leagues and exploring new places can also introduce you to potential friends. Don't overlook the opportunity to connect with coworkers and friends of friends, as they can help you meet new people with shared interest. Additionally, leveraging social media platforms to join groups related to your hobbies can facilitate connections. While fear of rejection might hold you back, remember that building friendships takes initiative, so keep trying and maintain your social commitments just like any other priority in your busy life.